We're on the same side, Rick.
Are we? Just, why don't you explain to me how it's in my best friend's interest to stay in this hellhole away from his family and friends?
I'm not keeping him here. I'm protecting my husband.
Oh, are you his wife or his guard dog?
Well, in this family, you have to be a bit of both, don't you? If I don't protect him, who will, Rick? I mean, you seem to have forgotten the mess his life was like before he got here. Where were you when the Spauldings were conveniently tearing him to pieces and taking in a million different directions? I'm not going to let him get pulled into that again. And if you were really his friend, you would agree with me.
Rick, please.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. I understand. I'm sorry. I got carried away here.
No, look, it's okay.
I just care about him.
It's okay. I just think we both care a lot. I would do anything to protect him. I would love it if we could work together. Could you hand me the cup, please? There you go. I'll leave you two alone to say goodbye.
I'll fix everything. I'll fix work, and I'll fix the baby, and I'll fix Olivia and Lizzie and everything.
Phillip,
I'll fix it. Just
this work is one of the reasons that landed you in the first place. I mean, if that woman's right about one thing, it's the world can take care of itself, especially the business world. Okay?
Antimonious.
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 What?
That's. Tell Gus. Antimonious.
Okay, I'll tell him.
Thanks. Yeah.
I gotta go. All right. Listen, you take care of yourself, and if there's anything that you need, buddy, just let me know.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Just worried about you.
Antimonious.
Okay, I'll tell him.
You tell him?
I will.
Okay.
Okay.